Little video today. We've had a couple of people ask if we can get these little rubber buttons. So these are the buttons that you touch when you're in the proximity with your RFID key, and then it opens the car. Some people have had that they're missing or damaged. So, and you can only buy the whole handle from Land Rover, and it's a ridiculous amount of money. So we've managed to source just the little rubber bits. So it's a little rubber membrane, and it's got a little plastic frame around the outside with these little sort of hooks. Can you see those on the camera, Ian? Anyway, that snap in. So these little hooks here, they've got a little ramp, it goes up and up. Okay, now there's no right way up they go, or well actually, do they go sideways or what? We'll have to have a look.
I think it's hooks top and bottom.
Hooks top and bottom, is it? Let's have a look at the shape. It looks good that way, doesn't it? It ain't looking good that way, is it?
Yeah,
no, that's two
hooks top and bottom.
Hooks top and bottom, right? So hooks top and bottom, you'll soon see that. So if it's missing, it's dead easy. We put these as a pair because you've lost one, you might as well keep one spare. Put that in there, and then you literally just clip that in. Okay, great. But what if you've got a damaged one? Now you could sort of try and yank it out, but it's not that difficult to strip down the door handle. So if you get the door handle and you prise it apart. So I'll show you that, and then it just comes off there and off the front. So it's got these little hooks here, and you can just prise it apart like that, and then it just comes off. So if you need to change it with it off there, you just push that one out, like, and that out, and that's how it comes out there. Easy as that. So there we go. Snapping back into place.
And what do we do to get the handle back on?
Back on, yeah. So you've got to hook that little.
So front edge first.
Front edge first, so come in at it like that, nuzzle that front edge under, and then it'll just click in. There you go. Little tip, it's easier to do it with the door locked, because when you do it with the door open, the door opens. So yeah, if you're going to do it with the door locked. Good luck with that.